Hey everybody, Heather from hookedonpickin.com here. I have got another bulk box of uninspected returns. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got my bulk box. I want to give you the specs, so let's come on down to my board. Before I give you the specs, I want to let you know it's not too early to be thinking about Valentine gifts. I've made these Valentine things. They've got a lot of fun things in there. I'm going to pop up the pictures of what I have. I've got two different kinds. I got a bath spa one and then a fun candy one for a friend or a sweetheart. Either one is fine. So check those out. They're on my Poshmark store, and I will put the links down in the description. So check out the description below. So this bulk box we're going to open up from bulk.com is women's shoes. I paid a total of $94.76. It has 39 items in it. It is uninspected returns, which could be a variety of different conditions. Could be brand new, could be without the box but still brand new, and then it could be damaged. So it could be a variety of different things, but I've had my most bang for my buck getting in uninspected returns. $62 was the actual cost of the box. Then I paid $30 in shipping, and then on top of tax, it came to the $94.76, which makes each one of the items worth approximately $2.43. So let's go ahead and get into this box. Let's see what we got in here and see what kind of condition are you expected to find in a women's shoe box of uninspected returns from bulk.com. So I didn't used to do clothing, but because of my Poshmark store, I have been doing a lot more clothing, and it's been actually really profitable for me. I'm super excited about jumping into this genre. I used to do a lot of household goods and stuff, and I still do all those things, but I've been getting into the clothing and accessories realm simply because I have the Poshmark platform. So here's some really nice flats. A little bit of scuffing on the front end, so I'll have to see if that rubs off. But there's a pair there. These are size 10s. Then I've got a cute pair of sandals. These are brand new. And it's not the wrong time of the year to sell sandals, simply because people who live in warmer climates are still looking for those types of things. Here's some really cute dress sandals, size 9s. When you're looking for these, check out my Posh store. I put them on my Poshmark store almost right away. And so you can check them out there if you like a size that you see. Here's another pair of cute sandals. Here's another pair of sandals. They're taped together, so these obviously would not be sold as new. They're the exact same kind as these. These wouldn't be sold as new simply because there's no tags on them. Here's a pair of 7.5. The last bulk box I got that had cute shoes in it, I actually kept a couple pairs of shoes because they were neat. Same exact kind of pair, just a larger size. These are 9s, I believe. I got one single sandal here. I'm going to see if I can find the mate. All right, these are really cute slippers. A New Day, some black slippers. Got some really cute boots in here. They look like Uggs, but they're black. They're probably an off-brand, but they're black, size 10s. They look brand new. They got the tags on them. So even though I got, summer sandals, I got some winter boots. Here's some red rubber boots. Those are cute. Size 10s. I don't know why they go crazy on the tape. They go crazy on the tape. All right. Here's some more cute. These are some gold ones, just like the ones we pulled out before. Size 6.5. Hey, I sold a ton of these already. These are size 10s. I actually kept a pair of these. They're actually really comfortable. I kept a pair, and then my daughter has a pair. And they're really, really cute. Throw them with some skinny jeans or some regular jeans. They're very, very cute. And they're pretty comfortable, too. So those are size 10s, which is nice because I've already got a listing on Posh, so all I have to do is adjust the sizing on it, and I don't have to take a new picture. Some cute little jelly sandals. Kid size, it looks like. Oh man, these are crazy shoes. These are break your ankle kind of shoes. If I can get them out of here. They're tangled up in another pair. Hold on. Okay. I need a degree in puzzle undoing to get these separated. Okay, I think I got it. All right, so here's a pair of pink break your neck high heels. Good night. Those are like 3 inches. So size 10s. Like a person who wears size 10s needs 3 more inches. Usually if you wear size 10, you're already Amazon tall. So I guess if you want to be super Amazon tall, these are really cute. Loafer slip-ons, kind of a metallic-y gold. Here's another pair of Amazon tall shoes, but these are for smaller feet, size 6.5. But the cool thing is I've already seen duplicates, which is awesome because then I can just make one listing and then put the different sizes in there. So this is not going to take me any time at all to list. Some more sandals, a little bit of a different style of sandals. Some 10s and some 7s. Some really cute lavender shoes. So far I'm seeing really good condition in most of these. Oh, here's some kind of almost gladiator looking black sandals. Those are neat. Those will go with everything. Some cute tennis shoes. These are for tiny feet. I think they're size 6s. They're kind of a little bit of a mid top, not a high top, but a mid top kind of. Here's some more black flip-flops down here. Slip-on ones, perfect for summertime. Here's some more plain brown sandals. All right. Oh man, these are the best. These are amazing. Somebody will wear these because I see some people that they can pull off some wild, loud shoes like this. That's not my style, but I see some pretty cute, you know, people wearing some cute jeans and pulling off some trendy styles like that. I've got some friends that I go to church with that could totally pull those off. So they're size 10. Some more glittery kind of sandals. So here's another pair. What size are these? These are 11s. So I have a friend from church named Bethany. Shout out to Bethany. She watches a lot of my unboxings. And if you want any of these shoes, let me know. I will send them your way. All right, size 7. Cute little sandals. I guess these are the same as these over here. So I've got 3 pairs of those kind. Some black, cute closed-toed pumps. Those are cute. So a lot of size 10s and size 6s. I guess that's the not so common size. So here's more of these metallic slip-on loafers down here. So as you can see, a lot of pairs of shoes in very good shape, a lot of duplicates. Here's another pair of slip-on sandals. Various different brands. Oh, these are pretty. They're kind of a burgundy slip-on flat. So closed-toed shoes are going to go really well right now because it's winter time. Here's just some plain flip-flops. Usually not a lot of money in those, but if they're the right size, I'll keep them and wear them through the summer. Here's some red heels. Very cute red heels. Some more brown sandals. Looks like I already got this style here. 7.5. Might have to try those ones on. Here's some cute little, they kind of look like a mock-up of a Converse, but not exactly. Size 8s. Cute little flat sneakers. All these do have tags on them. Here's another pair of flip-flops. Do I have these yet? Yeah, nope. These are brand new. These are different. They're similar to those ones, different style though. Hey, I found the match to that single one I had. Here it is. Here's the match to it. So, and one last thing. It's actually in the box. Ooh, those are cool. Really neat pair of tennis shoes. They're called Universal Threads. Drop my pink ones. So that's basically what you expect to see inside of a bulk women's shoes uninspected returns. A lot of them are in really good condition. I'm going to look over them real close and make sure that I don't have scuffs and marks and things like that on them. And even if I do, there's a lot of people sell used shoes, and if the tops doesn't look nice, but maybe like there's a little scuff on the interior, they won't mind that. So, but I will list that for sure in the listings. All of these will probably be on my Poshmark store. If you like one in particular, let me know. Send me a message in my comment section below. I'll try to link you this particular pair that you like. If not, go ahead and in the description, I put my Poshmark store. And so go ahead and just follow that, and you can just look for women's shoes under my closet and be able to find all of these things. Don't forget about my gift baskets. I'll put the links for both of those down in the description, as well as some of my leftover Christmas baskets that are just chock full of candy. They'll be at a discounted price. So I hope you enjoy all of this unboxing, and it's given you an idea of what to expect from a bulk.com women's shoes box. Like I said, paid about $2.43 per pair of shoes, which is dirt cheap. You can't find any of those for this price. And so hopefully it's been helpful, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.